Hello students, this is Rana sir. This is my third video for logarithm, and in this video I will use I will show you all how to use logarithmic tables for calculations, which is widely used for physics and chemistry. Especially multiplication, we can use log table and make it addition, and division we'll use log table and show how we use subtraction, and power will change to multiplication. Okay, but before that, you see what is the main problem out here. Using tables, we have two parts. First is how to find characteristics, and secondly how to find mantissa. Now characteristics and mantissa, I'll just show you how we use to find characteristics from this log tables part. Like, think I have log 245.7. Now before decimal, this is 245. So 3 digits are there before decimal, so characteristic is 2. And then after writing the characteristic, the main part is what? I will use log table and I will find 24. I will check in the log table. 24's 5 and of 5 7. Okay, and then what we'll do, we'll add it. Let me take some more example. Think I'm taking log 2.453. Now before decimal this is 2, that means the characteristic is 0. Let me take 2-3 more example. Log 0.02345. Now you see, decimal is here, before decimal only 0, after decimal one more 0. So the characteristic is 2 bar. One more example, how to find characteristics. Let me take log 0.000345. Now before decimal there is 1 0. After decimal there are 3 0. So ultimately totally it is 4 bar. Now once I take the characteristics, this decimal has no meaning. Directly I will take the digits what are taken out here, that is 3 4 5. This 3 4 5 I will see from tables and get the values. That is what about characteristics. And there is something called mantissa. Mantissa when we use anti-logarithm. So what I will do, I will use 2 multiplications and I will show you how to use these log tables. Now let me take one example. I am writing 24.56 into 23.19. Let me take let x equals to. So this I have taken. What you can do is that you can multiply 24.56 into 23.19. You can multiply and you will get an answer. But this multiplication becomes very big. So how to use log table, how to use logarithm and solve it. I will take what? Taking log both sides, I will take log x equals to log 24.56 plus log 23.19. So very simple, if I take log, multiplication changes to what? Addition. Now my next work, log x, this is 24.56, so my characteristic is 1. Then what will I do? I will check 24's fifth column from log table. Now 24's fifth column from log table, it turns up to, if you see the log table I am seeing 24's fifth column. It is 3892. 3892. And then 24's fifth column is 3892 and its sixth column. Sixth column is 11. So I will add 11. So this is 319. So 3909. So I'll get here 3903. Now this is for this part. Plus 23 is 1, 9. Characteristic is 1. Now I will check 23 is 1 and it's 9. Same way what I explained you out here. I will check 23 is column 1 and its 9th column. The value is turning out to be 1.3653. 1.3653. Now what will I do? I will simply add this two. On adding, I am getting log x equals to 2.7555. 2.7556. On adding, 3 plus 3 is 6. This is 5. 6, 15 carry 1. 6, 1, 7. Yeah, 2. Now my next work is what? See, this is log x equals to 2.7556. So I need to find x. So x equals to anti-log 2.7556. Now, when I will go for anti-log, remember I told you Mantissa. Anti-log, we will go to anti-log table. Anti-log table, if you check anti-log table, anti-logarithm table, there is logarithmic table and there is anti-logarithm table. Anti-logarithm table, everything is starting with decimal. The decimals are like this. It is 2.7556. I will not check 2. I will start with decimal part. So I will take 0.755 and it's 6. So 0.755. 0.75's fifth column. It is 5689. It is 5689. 5689 and it's 75. It's 6. 75. It's 6 is 8. So 5689 and 8. If I add, this is turning out to be 7. This is 965. So 5697. 5697. Now the thing is that what to do with this 2 before decimal 2? It is antilog 2.7556. I will check from 0.755, it's 6 and I got 5697. Now this is 2. Now this is out here. I will remove it and I will take 2 plus 1. I will add 1, that is 3 and 569.7. That means 569.7 is the answer. If you multiply 24.56 into 23.19, approximately 569.7 is the answer. I hope so, students, I am clear. Approximately we get the answer, very much nearby we get. We don't get exactly because this is a 4-figure table, 4-figure logarithmic table. Now I will do one more example now. Now this example I will take such that we get bar, logarithmic with bar. Let me take x equals to 0.0231 into 0.4565. So same method. Now what will happen here? You see it is 0.0. That means what happens? 0.0 means here we get bar. So what I will do now? I will take first log x equals to log 0.0231 plus log 0.4565. Now this is 0.0, so characteristic is 2 bar. As I told you already in the beginning, once I take the characteristic, this decimals has no meaning now. I will directly go for 23 is 1. So 23 is 1. If I check from the log table, I will get 3636. I am checking it here. 23 is 1. It is 3636. So 3636. plus this characteristic is 1 bar, it is 0 point. So characteristic is 1 bar. Next I will take 45 6 column, it's 5 column. 45 6 column, if I check from the table, 45 6th column, I am getting 6590, and its 5 column I am getting 5. So it is 6595. 6595. Now the main things, please follow here. What is the main part out here? How to use this, how to solve this bar calculation. This is 1 bar out here. This is 2 bar. Directly let me take 3 bar. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of this bar? Bar meaning this 2 bar is only negative. The decimal part is positive. This is 1 bar, so 1 bar is negative. The decimal part is positive. Why? Because logarithm we cannot do any calculation when it is a negative. So, and the tables with negative we cannot solve only. So what we do? We write it, the bar part only negative and the decimal part what? Positive. So 2 bar plus 1 bar, it is 3 bar. Then I will add 0.3636 plus 0.6595. On adding, this is 3 bar plus 1.0231. Now, I already told you that decimal part should not be in negative. Decimal part should be positive. This is 3 bar, this is 1. So what I will do, this 3 bar and 1, I will calculate it and I will make it 2 bar. 0.0231. So it is log x equals to, it is log x equals to 2 bar 0.0231. Now what will I do? Same way I will go for anti-logarithm. Now anti-logarithm, x equals to anti-log 2 bar 0.0231. Now I already mentioned that anti-logarithm we always go from decimal. If I check the table, any anti-logarithm table if I check, it is always, you see that it starts with decimal. So 0.02, 0.02 is 3, it is 1054. 0.02 is 3, it is 1054. 0.02 is 3 is 1054 and its 1 is 0. So I will directly go for 1054. So it is what? 1054. From table I am getting 1054. Now I need to remove this 2 bar. I already told you characteristic and mantissa. So what I will do now? 2 bar. 2 bar is 0.0. When I am taking characteristic, it is 0.0. When I am reversing it, returning it, it is 0.0 because it is 2 bar. So the ultimate answer is 0.01054. I hope so students, this much it is very much clear that how we use log table for calculation of this mathematical part. Thank you so much, and let's end with logarithmic tables, and thank you.